Hello everyone, today we are going to cover important inventions and their inventors. We will try to cover this topic through previous year questions that were asked in important exams. First of all, let us start. Machine gun was invented by James Puckle. Next question is, who invented thermoscope, an early form of thermometer? Early form of thermometer was developed by Galileo. Charles Richter is credited for development of Richter scale. Richter scale is used to measure the magnitude of earthquake. Magnitude of earthquakes. Benno Gutenberg is credited for discovery of core of earth, and for this discovery the boundary of core is a liquid layer of earth. The boundary of this liquid layer is called Gutenberg boundary. So, thermoscope was invented by Galileo, Richter scale was developed by Charles Richter, and Benno Gutenberg discovered the core, and the boundary of the core is called Gutenberg boundary inside of Earth. Next, telescope was invented by Galileo. Next question, the microscope is used for the study of, for distant objects we use telescope. For nearby and small objects we use convex lens, and for micro and near objects we use microscope. Next question, match the following: typewriter, X-ray, radio and safety lamp. The typewriter was discovered by Scholz. X-ray was discovered by Rontgen. Radio was discovered by Marconi, and safety lamp was discovered by Davy. So accordingly, if we mark, answer will be option A. Next question, Wilhelm Röntgen invented X-ray machine. Next is, who among the following scientists shared the Nobel Prize with his son? William Henry Bragg shared the Nobel Prize with his son. His name was William Lawrence Bragg. So this is father-son duo. Next is, match the following. John Gutenberg. Benno Gutenberg was credited for discovery of core of earth. So it was Benno Gutenberg, but John Gutenberg is credited for discovery of printing press. Rontgen is credited for discovery of X-ray. Michael Faraday is credited for discovery of dynamo or generator, what we call generator or dynamo, and Alexander Graham Bell is credited for discovery of telephone. Next question, who invented steam engine? Steam engine was invented by James Watt. Next question, telephone was invented by Graham Bell. Next question, who discovered electric bulb? Thomas Alva Edison discovered electric bulb. Alexander Graham Bell discovered telephone, and William Cook discovered cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube was discovered by William Cook. Next question is, gas engine was invented by Daimler. Diesel engine was invented by Diesel, but gas engine was invented by Daimler. Gas engine. Davy invented safety lamp. Charles Darwin discovered the theory of evolution. Next question, who was the inventor of fountain pen? Waterman was the inventor of fountain pen. All other options are brands of fountain pens, but Waterman is the inventor of fountain pen. Next question, who was the inventor of radar? Radar was invented by Robert Watson. It was used extensively in World War II by Britain. So Robert Watson is the correct answer for invention of radar. Alfred Nobel invented dynamite. So Alfred Nobel is known for invention of dynamite. Gramophone was discovered by Thomas Alva Edison, and typewriter by Scholz, Scholes, Scholes. Thomas Alva Edison. Next question, who discovered television? Television was discovered by Baird. He discovered television. Bulb was discovered by Edison. Galileo discovered telescope, etc. Next question, with what invention is the name J.L. Baird associated with? We have already covered, it is television. Next question, who among the following invented laser? Laser was developed by my man. My man means my man. My man means Mayman. So the laser was developed by Theodore Mayman. Next question, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? James Watt, he discovered steam engine, so correctly matched. Next question, next option, Graham Bell discovered telephone, correctly matched. J.L. Baird discovered television, correctly matched. Oh, J.L. Perkins did not discover penicillin. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. So option D is incorrect. Match the following. Radium, Madame Curie. Radium was discovered by Madame Curie. It was separated by Madame Curie. Penicillin by Alexander Fleming. X-ray by Roentgen. And measles by Jenner. Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner is related to measles. So radium is discovered by Madame Curie, penicillin by Alexander Fleming, X-ray by Roentgen, and measles by Edward Jenner. So option will be A. Next question, who among the following is the inventor of X-ray? X-ray machine was invented by Roentgen. Next question, match the following. Albert Nobel, he is known for invention of dynamite. Alexander Fleming is known for the invention of penicillin. Charles Darwin for theory of evolution, and Madame Curie for isolation of radium. So the option will be B. Next question, the principle of black hole was enunciated by S. Chandrasekhar. S. Chandrasekhar limit tells us whether a star will become a black hole or a star cannot become a black hole. So 1.44 times the mass of Sun is called Chandrasekhar limit. If a star is heavier than this, he can become black hole. If a star is lighter than this, he cannot become black hole. So this is Chandrasekhar limit. Next question, scientist S. Chandrasekhar got Nobel Prize for which field? We have covered already astrophysics because he was talking about black holes. Who among the following scientists proved that the star with mass less than 1.44 times the mass of Sun ends up as white dwarf when they die? S. Chandrasekhar, we have already covered it. Next question, photoelectric effect was discovered by? Photoelectric effect was discovered by Hertz, but it was explained by Einstein. And for this, Einstein got Nobel Prize. So the answer will be Hertz. It was discovered by Hertz but explained by Einstein. Next question, scientist Albert Einstein is famous for photoelectric effect. Next question, Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect. Next question, Einstein was honored for Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect. So it is a very important question, you should remember. Einstein was awarded a Nobel Prize for theory of photoelectricity. Einstein got Nobel Prize for, it is repeated again and again. In Einstein's equation, E equal to mc square, C denotes what? E denotes energy, m denotes mass, and C denotes speed of light in vacuum. So C is speed of light. It is a fundamental constant of our universe also. Next question, Albert Einstein was proficient in violin. He also played violin very well. The fourth dimension in physics was introduced by? Before Einstein, we used to think there are only three dimensions: front, side and top. So these are three dimensions. But when Einstein gave theory of relativity, we realized that time is another dimension we live in. Space and time are not separated. Space and time are dependent on each other. So, fourth dimension in physics was introduced by Einstein. Next question. Sir, C.V. Raman received Nobel Prize for Physics in which year? For Raman effect, he received Nobel Prize in 1930. An eminent Indian physicist, C.V. Raman, was given Nobel Prize for his work in the year 1930. National Science Day is observed on February 28th to commemorate Raman Effect Day. On 28th February, the Raman effect was discovered by C.V. Raman, and for which he received Nobel Prize in Physics. So, Raman Effect Day is celebrated as 28th February. It is celebrated as National Science Day as well. The National Science Day is observed on February 28th. India celebrates the National Science Day on February 28th. Who among the following scientists propounded the new theory of relativity? Theory of relativity was propounded by Albert Einstein. New theory of relativity is propounded by J.V. Narlikar. So, J.V. Narlikar propounded new theory of relativity recently. Next question is, according to J.V. Narlikar, which of the following has not been considered a science? Not only by J.V. Narlikar, it is not considered science. Astrology, which is also called Jyotish Shastra in Hindi, astrology is not a science. It is not considered science by modern standards. Astronomy, cosmology and nanotechnology are all science. Next question, who is the father of atomic energy in India? Father of atomic energy is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. He gave us 3-step nuclear power program also. Nuclear power program of India also. Next question, Homi Jahangir Bhabha award is given in nuclear energy because he was active in nuclear development of nuclear 3-step nuclear plan for India. Next is Stephen Hawking is a scientist. Next question, which of the following scientists has carried out researches both in the field of biology and science? Jagdish Chandra Bose, he has worked in both the field biology and in physics. Next question is, match the following. M.S. Swaminathan, U.R. Rao, Raja Ramanna, Meghnad Saha. Swaminathan is known as the father of green revolution in India. So, it should be agricultural sciences. Professor U.R. Rao was the head of ISRO, so he should be related to space research. Professor Meghnad Saha gave Meghnad Saha equation, ionization equation, so he should be related to thermodynamics. So, it should be 3, thermodynamics and astrophysics. And Raja Ramanna was a nuclear physicist. He was heading our nuclear program when we detonated first atomic bomb, Smiling Buddha. So, he should be related to nuclear physics. So, 2543 is option C. Next question, the principle of thermal ionization is an outstanding contribution of. Thermal ionization was given by Meghnad Saha, M.N. Saha. Who is associated with development of India's atomic bomb? Raja Ramanna is associated with development of India's atomic bomb. He was heading the nuclear program when we detonated first atomic bomb, Smiling Buddha. So, Raja Ramanna is associated with the development of India's atomic bomb. Next question, who is not a Nobel Prize winner among the following scientists? Hargovind Khorana, he has received Nobel Prize. C.V. Raman for Raman effect of scattering. S. Chandrasekhar for Chandrasekhar limit. Jagdish Chandra Bose, he did not receive a Nobel Prize. So, he is not a Nobel Prize recipient. Answer is D. So, these are the important scientists and their main contribution. You can go through it and check out if we have missed any of them. This is another list and this is the final page. So, these are important scientists and their discoveries. You can go through it. We have covered all the previous year questions for all the important examinations. Best of luck.